Are you feeling overwhelmed? Are you feeling anxious? Or are you feeling stressed right now? Just in 5 minutes, I'll guide you through a very powerful technique called EFT tapping to instantly reduce your stress. It looks like a tall promise, right? Hi, this is Meghlata. Welcome to my channel, Self Healing Mastery with Meghlata. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification in your inbox. But first, let us quickly understand why this whole thing works so well. Let's understand the science behind it. When we experience stress or anxiety, fear, or any intense emotion, our brain activates a survival brain called amygdala. Amygdala is also called the survival brain. It's a fear center. So when that gets activated, it releases hormone called cortisol. This part of the body which is responsible for fight or flight response. This is definitely useful when we are in real danger. You know, when you're walking in the jungle, you're encountering a tiger or any wild animal. You run for your life. To save your life, you have to run, right? So at such moment, when you are facing the real threat for life, then this is extremely useful. This is very good, beautiful organ in our body. But when we are attacked by our own memories and it creates certain stress in our body, but when chronic stress keeps happening, then also this amygdala gets activated. The small organ called amygdala doesn't differentiate between the real threat or the perceived threat. Stress is nothing but a perceived threat, right? You feel stressed because of some memories. You feel stressed because your mind is going through the memories of some event, some situation, and the stress is happening inside your system, and this stress is activating that amygdala. And when the amygdala is activated, stress hormone or cortisol hormone is released in your system. EFT tapping or emotional freedom technique combines two things. It combines ancient acupressure with modern psychology. By gently tapping on specific meridian points in your body while voicing the stressful feeling, we send calming signal to the brain. Studies show that tapping helps in lowering the cortisol levels. Cortisol means it's a stress hormone. It helps in lowering the release of stress hormone, regulate the nervous system, and reduce emotional intensity. You literally signal to your brain that I am safe now. There are multiple clinical studies about the EFT tapping, the results of EFT tapping. I would like to talk about one particularly which was published in Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease. These studies have shown that EFT can significantly reduce anxiety, stress, and even physical symptoms. Now let's experience it together. Before we start, I would like you to rate your stress level on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being none, 10 being the highest. Okay, on a scale of 0 to 10, what is the intensity of stress you are going through right now? Why we are doing this? So when you are measuring it now, after tapping, you can see yourself what is the level of stress you are feeling at that point of time after finishing the tapping. Now I want you to note down, maybe write it on paper, on a piece of paper, what is the intensity of stress right now. Now let's start the tapping. Now take a slow deep breath. Exhale slowly and completely. Relax your body gently. Sit straight. Inhale once again, slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Now you can keep your eyes open. Let's tap along. You can follow along through the video. Let's tap together. Before starting, let me briefly explain you the tapping points. Point number 2, beginning of eyebrow. Point number 3, side of the eye. Point number 4, below the eye. Point number 5, below the nose. Point number 6, below the lower lip. Not on the chin, it's just below the lower lip. Then point number 7 is below the collarbone, 3 inches below the collarbone. Point number 8 is 3-4 inches below the armpit. Point number 9, top of your head, not side of your head, not front. It's in the middle of your head. Okay? These are the 9 points we'll be tapping. You can follow along in the video along with the statements to release your stress right now. You can tap with both the hands, you can tap with left hand, you can tap with right hand, but when you are tapping, tap very gently. You don't have to hammer yourself. Tap very gently. You can keep your eyes closed or open. I would suggest you keep your eyes open when you are doing it for the first time so that you don't get confused which point you are tapping. You can see the video and tap along with. Here the focus is on the points rather than your focus is on your inner self. Let's begin. Even though I feel stressed right now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though the stress feels heavy in my body, I choose to relax and I choose to love and accept myself completely and totally. Even though I feel so overwhelmed, I allow myself to feel calmer and I choose to love and accept myself completely and fully. Now you can follow along with me. I feel so stressed right now. My mind is racing with too many thoughts. My shoulders feel tense. I feel pressure in my chest. I feel overwhelmed and anxious. Everything looks too much to handle right now. My body is carrying the stress. I am holding on to this tension inside my body. I feel so drained. I feel so stuck in this moment. The stress is taking over my peace. I feel completely at a loss. I don't know where I am landing. I don't know what I am doing. I feel completely at a loss right now. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly and completely through the mouth. Release all your stress. And check yourself right now, how you're feeling. What is the intensity right now? We have not completed it. We have just done one round. See, through these negative words, we are acknowledging, we are telling our brain, I'm acknowledging it. I'm going through it. I'm not in a denial. I am right now experiencing this. This is such an important step for your healing. This is like there is a dead rat in a room, and unless you don't identify, unless you don't spot it, unless you literally spot it and remove it physically, the stink of the rat is not going to go out of the room, right? So similarly, acknowledging that you're right now going through this pain, the stress is very important. That is what we have done. Now we'll go to the next stage for releasing the stress. Now you start from eyebrow point. No need to do this again. We can start from eyebrow point. I realize that the stress has to be released now. I am consciously and willingly choosing to release the stress from my system. If I need to grow in my life, if I want to move on in my life, it's so important to release the stress. I realize that it is so important to release the stress for my further growth. So I consciously and willingly choosing to release the stress from my mind and from my system. My nervous system is calming down. I feel little more grounded right now. My body feels lighter right now. I am open to healing and calmness. I trust my body's ability to relax. The minute I accept it, I'm finding that it is becoming easier. I choose to feel safe in my body. My breath supports my relaxation. I feel peaceful and calm. My body feels lighter and relaxed. My mind is clear and centered. I am capable of handling challenges calmly. My breath flows smoothly. I feel grounded and calm. I feel grounded and strong. I choose peace over stress. I feel safe and supported. Calmness fills my entire being. I release all the stress, all the stuck energy which no longer serve me. My energy is balanced. I trust my body's ability to release that no longer serves me. I am in control of my peace. I feel truly grateful for this calm energy. I am extremely grateful for the whole healing process. I acknowledge my body's ability to heal itself. I surrender to the healing process. I am totally at ease and peace with the whole healing process. I totally love and accept this. Relax. Take a deep breath. Exhale totally and completely. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Now scan yourself and re-rate your stress level. Notice if there is any shift. Even if there is a small reduction in stress level now, even if it has come down by 1 point, say at the beginning of the process, your stress level was 8, and if it has come down to 7, don't you think it's worth doing it? If it has come down to 7 from 8, that means your body has responded beautifully for the process. I would suggest you should repeat the process till you bring it to 0. You go through the video, keep doing it. If it requires 7, 8 times, it's worth it. How long it takes to do? 1 round. The total process takes 2-3 minutes. Isn't it worth going through it repeatedly so that you bring down the stress level from 8 to 0? Imagine if your stress level comes down to 0, how effectively you can carry on in other areas of your life. So it's not just for stress, you can do it for any emotion. This video is specifically for stress. I'll definitely come out with videos for other emotions also. But right now, you can work on your stress, and if you have understood the system, you can work on other emotions also with the same process. I would suggest you integrate this as a regular practice in your day-to-day rituals. Subscribe to my channel for more healing sessions like this. Please like the video and share it to someone whom you feel needs this today. If you would like to work on one-on-one deeper emotional healing, check the link in the description. Okay, you can connect to me personally and we can take it from there. Trust me, all of us have the power to heal ourselves. You have the power to heal yourself. See you soon in my next healing video. This is Meghlata signing off with loads of love and tons of wishes for your good health.